Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting to the wardrobe quickly. Open the interaction menu and choose Style. Select Outfits, then choose a slot to modify. This lets you swap clothing without a store trip. Once done, navigate to Tops Jackets and pick the overcoat blazer you already own or flagged in your inventory. Make sure to save to an outfit slot so you can recall it instantly. This early save step prevents losing the look during mission swaps and keeps the blazer available across sessions. Once you've saved the base blazer, you customize to avoid clipping. Select pants and shoes that match shoulder and torso proportions because bulkier bottoms can cause visible mesh intersections. Then add accessories like scarves or glasses only if they sit above the collar. Otherwise, they clip and break the silhouette. Make sure to preview in free roam and walk, run, and sit to check animations. If any item clips, swap that piece and resave the outfit. This prevents issues during cutscenes and missions. Before a mission or session, choose your saved outfit slot so the overcoat blazer loads correctly. You want to equip it in Pause menu or Interaction menu to ensure consistency across loading screens. If the blazer disappears or changes, reapply the saved outfit immediately. Often that restores the look. If problems persist, clear outfits by resaving or perform a quick relog to force asset reload. One key troubleshooting tip: if animations snap or text.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.